Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Professor Shahid Saleem from Government Degree Science and Commerce College, Associate Professor of Chemistry. Today viewers we are going to discuss the process of hydration. Hydration may be defined as the process of surrounding the ions or molecules of solute by water molecules. Hydration is basically due to physical phenomena called adsorption. Why hydration takes place? Water is a polar molecule. Positive hydrogen of water is attracted by negative ion of salt, and the negative oxygen is attracted by positive ions of salt. These forces are responsible for hydration. The phenomena of hydration takes place during crystallization. When we add salt to water, it forms unsaturated solution. This unsaturated solution add more salt in it till we get a solution which cannot dissolve any more salt at room temperature. This is called saturated solution. A saturated solution is one which contains maximum solute at room temperature. Now we place the saturated solution on a flame. Keep in mind that the flame is not very high to avoid evaporation. When the solution is heated, we can dissolve more salt in it. But soon the solution will not dissolve more salt in it. This is called supersaturated solution. Viewers, it is better to filter the supersaturated solution by using Wortmann 541 or 542 filter paper. Now we allow the solution to cool. Actually, cooling is done in two ways. One is to allow the solution to cool by its own, and secondly by induced method, that is by placing the hot solution in some cooling machine like refrigerator or a cooling bath. In both the cases, crystals are going to form. In former, the crystals are bigger, while in later it is usually smaller. Bigger crystals have greater worth. As a result of hydration, the salt is called hydrated salt. For example, copper sulfate dot 5H2O and magnesium sulfate dot 7H2O. When salt is heated to some temperature, certainly above 100 degrees centigrade, water molecules are removed and the salt is called anhydrous salt. Water present in hydrated crystal is called water of crystallization, as one crystal of copper sulfate has 5 molecules of water. Now let's discuss the factors upon which hydration depends. Hydration depends on the size of metal atom, and number 2, charge density of metal atom. Charge density is the number of positive charge on the atom. Ions with smaller size and greater charge density have greater ability to attract water molecules. It should be kept in mind that water molecules prefer to get surround to cations rather than anions. For example, in copper sulfate dot 5H2O, 4 water molecules are present around copper ion and only one is held by sulfate ion. Now let's discuss the effect of hydration. In hydration, OH bond is not broken. Shape and color of hydrate is due to water of crystallization. For example, copper sulfate .5H2O can exist in monoclinic crystals and in triclinic crystals. In the monoclinic form of CuSO4.5H2O, the bond lengths are not equal and the bond angles alpha and gamma are equal to 90 degrees, whereas the bond angle beta is not equal to 90 degrees. In the triclinic form of CuSO4.5H2O, the bond lengths are not equal and all the bond angles are not equal to 90 degrees. When copper sulfate pentahydrate, a hard dark blue crystal, is heated to 230 degrees centigrade, it becomes a powdery white due to efflorescence. This powdery white salt is known as anhydrous copper sulfate.